This ain't just another launch. This is year 2. We don't hope for wins around here. We create them. Clocked in, no time to coast. I was sitting on gold, now I'm doing the most. No more silence, no more stuck. I'm the one they watch when the bags show up. Lessons learned, now I'm moving with fire. What I know, that's the fuel, now I'm taking it higher. 1,000 deep and we ready to rock. DCT got the torch, now we glow with pride. It's bag season, we don't wait, we lead. Turn a thought to a product, plant it like a seed. We don't guess, we build with trust. Real ones link, it's all of us. Bag season, year 2 vibe. Pitch with purpose, teach with pride. One shot, one team, one goal to turn what we know into solid gold. No fluff, no cap, just tools that work. Put respect on the name, we've been doing the work. From the school to the stream, we the proof of the ship. Turn a spark to a stack, now watch us uplift. Got my crew, got the keys, got the green light too. And the leaderboard glowing like the sky turned blue. No gatekeepers here, just a path and a plan. Bring a friend, bring a dream, we expand hand in hand. Turn a thought to a product, plant it like a seed. We don't guess, we build with trust. Real ones linked, it's all of us. Back season, year 2 vibe. Pitch with purpose, teach with pride. One shot, one team, one goal to turn what we know into solid gold. We ready, locked in. We show up, tapped in. From zero to sold out. We rise, no doubt. This our year, say it loud. This our time, stand proud. GCT, say the name. Turn the mission to a flame. Welcome to year 2. Let's secure the bag together.